Hello, I want to teach you how to use this program Rassil2013Val program, which sends the SEQ messages to all the users. So once you downloaded and then once you unzip, you get to this folder, and once you start, make sure compatible with Windows XP. You click on right click and then on properties and then compatibility. And then make sure run this program with compatible mode with XP. Run is as administrator. Click apply. Click OK. You start the program. You have to enter the OINs, otherwise it's not gonna even do the testing. The OINs in the file mega.txt. Here we have OINs already entered, 50 OINs, working OINs, but the program to work faster and more efficiently, you need more OINs, of course. Here's the sample. Here's the sample of OINs. This is not actual valid OINs. But once you purchase the OINs in bulk on internet, or you can buy it from me or my partner, you just select the file and you paste it. This actually already 50 working validated OINs, which you need to run this program at least for a test. Or you have to, if you register the program, which is $100, you can actually send actual messages, your own messages. But if it's a testing version, you can only send which is default message is being sent. It's not actually your own, just to see how it's sending. You can type a message here, any message, hello world, right, and save it. It would save to the file in the directory of a message. And you can actually select search online, offline, gender, male, female, but if it's blank, it's both. You can enter the country, in this case USA, but you can enter any country in the world. If you want to do the city, here is the city file, right? It open up, you actually put the names here of the city. This is actually formatted cities for United States. All the cities is why you need space in between, because so it searches better. So, but actually I have the USA cities here already collected, or actually United Kingdom, which is here as well. But in actual case, you put in the file city.txt, which is in my case United States, but just as an example. You can put age. Here you can write a message. It's a hello text is already saved in the file, or you can type any message you'd like. So and then you can save it to the text. You can actually paste here any link, web link, and there's buttons here. There's search and settings, events, which is when you be sending messages, enter OINs, which is you enter your own OINs, which is all the same. It does the same function as this validation. Here you have to register at this website antigate.com in order to validate. Then you get the registration key, and it does automatic validation, which sometimes OINs become invalid. So they need to be validated from time to time, and you click OK. Once you put a key here, once you register, get the key here, you click OK. As you can see, the program is not activated yet. In order to activate, you need to contact me or my partner, but probably me, and activation. All this information. This is activation here. You need activation key. This is serial number. You give me the serial number, give you activation key within 24 hours or 48 hours if it's on weekend. This is actually, it searches and it's sending the messages. But actually it is a testing version, since it's not activated yet. It will actually send the default message, which is not your own message. You can select sound. It's better when the sound, somebody receive a message with the sound. It would be more efficient. And yeah, so yeah, load the text and you start the program. So once you start the program, see the names here, right? It's actually those names in the name1 file. As you can see, this is 100 female names, 100 male names. You can put as many names as you'd like. Actually, it's not actually going to search for these names. Actually, it's going to search for more names. There's the spaces in between, so it's going to give variations of other ones. So look whoever is around in the city or in a country, look for similar names or patterns, and which probably would live in a name.txt file, which you see is more names here. You can search online, you know, for any country in the world, for any. I can do formatting for you. I can collect and do formatting for maybe $20 for each country or something like that. I have a program which does the formatting, unless you can do it yourself, as you could see. So yeah, in order to test, see how the message is being sent, as you see, this program is not activated yet, so which means it'll send a default message, which is not your own message. You can put web link here, just the product you sell, and the web link, stuff like that. You can test and see what you send, what you receive yourself. How do you test? You see, you put your own messenger here, a secure address, which is mine is 696538098, and you press this button. As you can see, I received the message in a base.txt file. Here you see base. You can put as many points collected as you'd like, and click here, and click, and it'll show up right where the search ends. It'll show up, and it'll send there. Yeah, so so as you can see, you can record the actual names, the actual addresses, this SEQ addresses to the file. You click record, and you open up the file name SBR, which is collection. You see these points here, and you can select them, you can copy, you can paste into the base file, you can save here, you can click here, so you can see you have more points showed up on the screen, which is from that base text file. It will be sending you can help file. This Privet means it's just greetings. Then save is just a collection you can save for yourself, and save is actually the actual message being saved. That's the save to file, which is message. It's only 50. It's only 10 streams, which is 50 units, but you have to buy more units to activate the program, so it does send your own message. Events is actually what's happening, who's answering you, who and what the answers they receive. Yeah, it searches actually list of names. As you could see, if you click on events, you get the answers. If you send the messages, and sometimes a person answers you. You go to the program directory, then you go to text, then you go to system, Then you see this file name ответ.txt, which means answers. It answers the greetings. Then you see bots. It says, "Hi, visit my site, you'll be glad," for example. So if one or two words are similar ones, it answers. If the answer is not found, it will just simply resend the message to the user. Yeah, so you see the message is being sent, so the answer is received. So basically you can leave the interval at 20 and distribution 8 or maybe 10, but those are the settings I use. Like 20 at search and distribution at 10 or 8 at the most. So you don't want to distribute too fast, so you don't want ICQ system to block you. You see this link www.bit.ly.healthby. Actually, this is another name for my web link, because I went to register at this website, www.bit.ly, and I renamed my web link to this link. Make sure it's in all capital letters, so the ICQ system doesn't block the message being sent, and make sure it's all capital. And this is one of those websites where you can shorten the link, make your web link shorter, so, or you can use the similar ones. Yeah, so do not use the numbers, since ICQ system temporarily also might block that. You can substitute with letters or similar characters. You see, you have no numbers here. Yeah, if you use like $sign or any these special characters, make sure always test the message before you send it to yourself. Do not use HTTP in a web link. Instead use www, since ICQ also might block that. So you just have to test and see what you receive. Make sure you receive the message you like. And should you have any more questions or any more comments or questions, you can write to this ICQ address, 6965388098. You can visit my website at the following address, Rassil2013Val.weebly.com. You can contact me on this email, Gennady46@hotmail.com, or on that ICQ I just gave you. Thank you for watching.